So we're just having a quick walk around Longton, and I'm just going to go past the town hall now. Last time I went here, there was people sleeping rough in here, but looks like it's been cleaned up a little bit today. So like I say, we're going to have a quick look around. Does look quite filthy there in that door hole. And we'll just see what's actually happening here in Longton and have a look at some of the different shops there is and what sort of state they're in. So we're on Market Street, and Market Street's where the run's going to come up here today. You can remember about 12 months ago I did a video here, and all the front of this building had collapsed, and they've had these barrage blocking it off here for well over 12 months, causing chaos in Longton. And let's just have a look at the building there. So look at the state these buildings are actually in here, and look at the state that one's in. It's just absolutely horrendous. I can't believe it's over 12 months and we've still got it in a condition like that. Come on, Longton Town Council, get it sorted out. What a mess. It just looks absolutely horrendous. So let's carry on walking up Market Street. I'm only going to do a short video today of Longton. So I think most of these shops do still open in the day. Obviously they will be closed today because it is a Sunday morning. We've got Longton Mini Market there across the road. I think as we do head up here in a second, we will have quite a few more closed down shops and places that do look an absolute mess. Empty shop there. We've got the Halifax, and look at the state of the shop we've got here. All closed down. And we've got now coming up on the right hand side the old Woolworths building, and that's really been closed ever since Woolworths closed down, and they've done absolutely nothing about it. What a mess. But just have a look here. Can't believe what a mess all these buildings are here. Look at the state of them. They're all closed, all falling down, all going to rack and ruin, windows broken, windows open, and trees growing out of them. And as I say, the Woolworths building, look at the state of the doors and everything like that, and the glass, they've all been kicked in. It's absolutely terrible. We've got this part here now, which in Longton's quite good, but let me just have a look on the corner there, and most of these shops here on the corner as I go round, and especially as I go up here. Let's just have a quick look next door to Specsavers. What an absolute disgrace that is there. What a mess. Look at this, look at the state of the place. We've just got boarded up shops, absolutely everywhere here. We have got some work going on there, and it does look like they're doing that building up, but there's a turn round here again on this particular corner. Look at the state of this corner. Every shop closed and every shop an absolute mess. But I still think this is probably one of the worst here. Look at that one there as you approach Specsavers. You'd think the councils would sort of do something about all this. Tunstall's the same, Burslem's the same, and I think Stoke's the same as well. They're all a real mess. So we're going to have a walk up through the shopping centre part here now. They've got the Christmas decorations up. And this part of Longton does look a lot cleaner. And like I say, look at the Christmas decorations there that they've got up. They do look quite nice. And this part, what I'm looking at now, again, this is the old Woolworths building, and there used to be an entrance to Woolworths there. We've got a question. I wonder if the Woolworths building will ever be taken. It must have been closed now, like I say, for a decade or more. I can't just remember when Woolworths went into administration. Drop me a comment and let me know on that one. But I know it has been a real good while. Nice Christmas window there. Look at that. Reindeer in there and Christmas tree. Yeah, that looks really nice. Very quiet because, like I say, it is Sunday morning. It's only 10:30 in the morning. We've got somebody in a tent in the door hole of that shop. That's amazing. I don't know whether the cafe's actually closed down, but the guy is flat out asleep in his tent. Let's just have a look this way now before we head back down. And like I say, the guy's asleep in that tent there. That's just unbelievable in a cafe door hole. There's a few more people about here now. Look, we've got Iceland, and Iceland is open. Card Factory, Mind, that's a big shop. And in front of me, we've got the Longton Christmas tree. Another good window display there for Christmas. Check that one out. Got Boots, bargain wheel there with all the bits and pieces outside. That must take some putting out every day. And like I say, there's the Longton Christmas tree. Quite a nice one as well. Let's just quickly check that out. Yeah, that does look really good. And like I say, look at the bargain wheel shop there. Daryl's just going see if it's open. I just ordered 2 bacon muffins, and they're just warming them up out of this coffee shop here. And we'll sit down and eat them, then we'll have another look around Longton. Just had a bacon bap there and it was really, really nice. I really did enjoy it. So let's carry on with this walk through Longton. Like I say, it's only going to be a short one. And we'll head down now towards the Strand. Look at the seats here, they're nice. Really nice colour. We've got Heron Foods there. We've got Bon Marché here as well. That's a big shop here in Longton. I didn't realise that was it. Clothes shop. And then somebody's broke the window there. Look at that. That's how rough Longton obviously is at night. We've got Superdrug on the corner. Poundland. Cash converters. So you can take your bits and pieces in there and they'll give you cash for it and then they sell them on. And we're now coming to the Strand and Longton, and we've got about 10 minutes now before the bike run starts. So like I say now, this is the Strand here in Longton. Let's have a quick look around here. A lot of shops are still taken. We've got a big pub directly in the middle of the screen there. Superdrug, Subway. Yeah, so just at this part is quite populated and most of the shops are empty. I was going to say empty there, are full. Subway's open. We've got a traditional fish and chip shop there. Oh, car's just pulled out on that buzz. I think I did get it slightly. Yeah, did you see that? I thought the buzz was going to hit him. And we've got Longton Market here. And we're just crossing Transport Lane. Got an empty shop on the corner there. And across the road, we've got quite a few empty shops there as well. And we've got Islands Electrical there. That's a really, really good place. If you want to buy any electrical goods, go and check that out there. And look at the state of this place. Boarded up, empty. What a mess. Let's cross over. And we'll walk down now to where the bike run. If you look along there, we've got Argos and Tesco, so that's always quite busy. And look at the market building, it's spectacular. It's absolutely amazing. Look at the detail on it there. It's beautiful. Really, really nice. We've got Lloyd's Bank there on the left-hand side. Wright's Pies, that's closed this morning. And in front of me, we've got the very famous railway bridge. Like I say, that's only been a very quick walk around Longton today for you, just while we're waiting for this bikers ride. This used to be Barclays Bank, but Barclays, like in most towns, have closed it. So we no longer have a Barclays Bank. What I will have to try do for you at some time is do a video of Longton Market, because they do say it really, really is a nice place. So that's something I'll try to do at some point. To say, this area here is just absolutely fantastic. All the different things we've got on the wall and all the different old pictures really are nice. Let's just check them out. Look at that old picture there. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. So like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this video I've done today of Longton for you. I've shown you just a few of all the old dirty empty shops and things like that, and we probably will do another full video on it for you at a later date, and probably take you all the way around.